Good day, everyone. Simran here. We are in day 2 of the Pelvic Restoration Disease Prevention Masterclass here in Airdrie, Alberta. And day 1 was absolutely phenomenal. A lot of the ladies, just from a few things that we were practicing, breathing, and the meditations and things, already had breakthroughs and just a different awareness that they were able to bring to themselves that they didn't have before. And it was just really amazing to hear about. Right now, we are actually just practicing the pelvic restoration squats, like the activation squats. And these are so important for women to be doing because we have to keep things flowing and moving down there. And if we're not, and we're not doing them, everything's just gonna, if you have calcification, if you're constantly in a state of stress or dripping that hack, the histamine, adrenaline, and cortisol into your system, and you're not doing these exercises to keep things flowing nicely and moving, you're gonna get stiff down there and start to have issues down the road. So these squats are really amazing too. And it takes like 25 minutes if you can try and hold them 5 minutes a day, or however long you can hold it until you can, your goal would be 5 minutes. For each squat, there's 3. And then there's a specific stretch, a crab stretch that we do. So it's 25 minutes of your day. Like how much everyone could make the time for that and really constantly be able to feel amazing and not have these issues if you take the time. So ladies, let's put ourselves first. It's time. I specifically wanted to talk to the younger girls out there because I'm 26 and I'm the youngest trainer here with the Doc of Detox for the pelvic course. And I just wanted to say that a lot of issues that you may be experiencing, you could easily get rid of if you are taught the right tools. And we are here to teach you. And you don't have to have your endometriosis or your painful periods. Like the minute I started cleaning up my diet, I started to be mindful of what foods I'm consuming. And I started to nourish my body instead of just feed it and just eat whatever I was craving. I noticed such a huge difference in the symptoms that I would get because I started to feel so much better. I actually had more energy and started to feel like I had control again. It's like when I get my period now, like it's not like, oh, I'm out for a week or I'm moody or I don't want to talk to anyone. Like there's none of that now. It's actually pretty easy, and it's because I started doing these exercises, these breathing techniques, and being mindful of what I'm putting into my body. So any young girl out there, if you're tired of feeling or having bad period cramps or like pain in your thighs because your pelvic, like because your period is so painful, or you're stuck in bed for like a week or the week prior to your period and then the week of your period, and you don't have to live like that. So I'm also a consultant with the Doc of Detox. I do Perfect Day Consultations. You can find me at docofdetox.com/consultations, and I'd be happy to help you get out of pain and start enjoying life and not dreading your period, because it's really not something that you need to dread. It should be easy and simple to get through, but with the lifestyle a lot of people live now, that's not always the case. So I hope you all have a beautiful day, and we will talk to you later. Bye.